In this video,
we will learn how to clip someone in Fortnite. Clipping on people in Fortnite, as in outplaying them and getting flashy elimination, can be done using quite a few tricks and tips. So firstly, piece control and fast edits are your go-to trick in order to clip people. You can box your opponent by placing wall, cones and ramps before they react, edit quickly and take high damage shots with pump action shotgun for more than 200 damage. Pre-fire when they try to escape is also a option for you. High ground retakes are must. Use flashy high ground retakes like slide jump, 90s tunneling and cone jump to style on them. Mix in fake edits and unexpected angles to catch them off guard. You can use various exploiting techniques like pickaxe swing and jump into the box to phase through. You can also use the ramp phase to slip inside their build while staying protected. Crash pad or shockwave tricks can be used to force them into their own box. You can also style on them with movement and mechanics. Hit a slide shot, mantle into shot or double edit into a thunder pump. You can use hammer plays to slam them into their box for a clean clip. Trick shotting for max clip potential. If you want montage worthy clips, go for sniper trick shots, grapple slam or launch pad no scopes. Set up builds for bounce shot, shockwave snipes and 360 spin kills. And finally, end your fight with an emote for the maximum disrespect. If you clip on someone hard, hit them with take the L, laugh it up or floss for maximum effect. This is how you can easily clip someone in Fortnite and enjoy the game like you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.